that AI is very important. I know February you have a World Summit. Many global leaders are coming. But we at Rajya Sabha people, we are elderly people, House of Elders it is called. We should be trained to understand, because AI is not something meant for only youngsters in engineering college or in management. We should know how AI is used in agriculture, because agriculture is our backbone. AI used in culture, which is our history and our culture of India. AI is used in medicine, AI is used in every part of life, but how we will get that idea? Unless ministry gives us
Honorable Minister,
expert training or lectures arranged for all people at our Rajya Sabha, we will be able to participate in these discussions. Dhanyawad.
Honorable Chairman, sir, Honorable Member has raised a very important point. I would like to say that the focus of the India AI mission is on climate change, disaster management, healthcare, which Honorable Member referred to, agriculture, which is the backbone of our economy. That is again a big focus, governance, culture, assistive technologies for learning disabilities, and these are the sectors that we are specifically supporting as a part of the India AI mission.
Dr. Fawzia Khanji.
Thank you, sir. Sir, since the NASSCOM BCG AI Adoption Index 2023 highlights significant regional disparities in AI readiness and access to compute resources, may I ask whether the ministry has assessed if the proposed AI hub in Andhra Pradesh addresses these gaps, and why criteria for selecting states under the India AI mission not been publicly released, sir?
The AI companies and the firms which are setting up their data centers, they decide which place they would like to go. And in the spirit of cooperative federalism, we support whichever firm or whichever industry participant wants to come to India. We look at the entire country as one country, and wherever they want to set up, we support from our side. That is the philosophy with which we are working. From the government mission, the AI mission, we are covering the entire country in a very regionally balanced way. That is what I would like to assure the honourable member. And I've given the numbers in the past, how many number of data labs, how many number of AI hubs we are setting up as a part of the AI mission, which is throughout the states and UTs in the country.
Now, question number 65.
That is normally 1 hour. My request to you, sir, since